Hey little kids, welcome to my channel. I am back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful submarine with tracing. Here I draw a dotted submarine. Let's connect all the dots and draw a beautiful submarine. I draw the submarine. Now it's time to color it. I'm using here watercolor to color this beautiful submarine. First one I'm using the deep blue color for this beautiful circle. Now I'm using the light blue color for the whole part of this submarine. Submarine is a water transport. So this is also called water transport. Wow, it's looking so beautiful. Let's try to draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye bye little kids.